Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your Robinhood phone number is no longer accessible? Maybe you've lost your phone, changed your number, or simply want to update your account information. Whatever the reason, changing your Robinhood phone number is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and learn how to do it. Imagine this: you've just made a significant investment and you're anxiously awaiting the market's reaction. But when you try to check your Robinhood app, you can't access your account because your phone number has changed. It's a stressful situation, right? Well, fear not, because today, we're going to show you how to avoid this predicament by effortlessly changing your Robinhood phone number. Before we get into the steps, let's understand why it's important to keep your Robinhood phone number up to date. Your phone number serves as a crucial security measure. It's used for two-factor authentication, 2FA, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. If someone gains unauthorized access to your account, 2FA can prevent them from making trades or withdrawing funds. Step-by-step guide. Open the Robinhood app. The first step is to open the Robinhood app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account. Access account settings. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. This will take you to your account settings. Find the phone number option. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the phone number option. Tap on it to proceed. Enter your new phone number. You'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Verify your identity. Robinhood will send a verification code to your new phone number. You'll need to enter this code into the app to confirm your identity. Confirm the change. Once you've entered the verification code, you'll be asked to confirm the change of your phone number. Tap Confirm to proceed. Additional tips. Back up your account. Before making any changes to your account, it's always a good idea to back up your important information, such as your username, password, and any relevant transaction history. This will help you recover your account if you encounter any problems. Enable 2FA. As mentioned earlier, 2FA is a crucial security feature. Make sure it's enabled on your Robinhood account to protect your funds. Contact support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the process, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood's customer support. They can assist you in resolving any issues. Changing your Robinhood phone number is a simple process that can help ensure the security of your account. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily update your phone number and maintain control over your investments. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is essential for protecting your funds. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy investing.